Gosh damn! Why you driving my car? Let me drive this. What the fuck happened? I feel like an idiot trying to drive it because I don't like.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's complicated.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'm taking it. I'm definitely gonna take it. Get a good picture real quick. How do I go and drive? Neutral. But I don't know how to go and drive. I've never drove one of these. He's not help. He left already. He's in my car. I'm in D1. No. Bro, I don't know how to drive this shit. He didn't tell me how to. In a high-tech car, I don't know how to use the motherfucker. It's not getting out of neutral. I need his help. Yeah, bro. He gotta come help me, bro. I don't know how to get a drive.
Alright, so let me show you the tutorial here. So you're gonna hold the brake and then you're gonna hold that and then go to the side to your right. So right there, you're on drive.
Oh, okay.
So same thing. When you go back into reverse, you go side and up.
So side and up.
That's
Okay.
reverse. Yep.
So how I put it in sport?
Sport, then you go one more to your right.
Up?
No.
Down?
There you go. Exactly.
So now I'm in sport?
Now you're in sport, so you can use your paddle shifters, okay?
Okay.
You alright?
Damn, I feel like a jackass. I feel like a complete jackass. Turn this music down. Oh, this shit burbling already on phone now. Gosh damn! This shit's crazy! Oh my gosh! Nah, this has gotta be better than the Hellcat. Why you driving my car? Let me drive this. What the fuck happened? I gotta use shifters? Damn, I got the turn signal on this shit. Let me take it off this shit. Let me see. Damn, let me take this shit off. Huh, take it. This shit is crazy. This shit is crazy. Oh my gosh. I feel like an idiot. I've drove so many cars. I never not know how to drive a car. I feel like an idiot. So how do I unlock it? I already did unlock the car. I had a BMW before. I don't know why I'm acting so dumb. Maybe because I'm in park. Maybe because I'm not in park. Alright, let's drive that bit real quick. Oh god, this shit is crazy. I feel like I'm a last kid. Well, I want to do a donut so bad, but I ain't gonna do it because he's looking at me. But if he wasn't looking at me, I would have phone. I would have slid this bitch. This shit be drifting though. Oh my gosh, a squirrel! I just killed a squirrel! No, I gotta pray. I gotta. Yo. Adaptive headlight malfunction. We gotta talk about that, Brody. Nah, this shit is crazy. This gotta be better than the Hellcat. This should be drifting like a bit. low key don't make no noise though. I gotta fix that. Too quiet for me. Oh, you hear that video? You hear that turbo though? Oh, this is my new car right here. It doesn't pop though. We gotta work on that. It was pop when I had it in Sports Plus. But this shit fun. Lucky I don't take this shit out on the street. Well, can't trail. This shit fun. He driving my shit. Let's have fun. I want to slide this shit. This shit turns so nice. It's gotta be the best like control I've ever had in a car. This car turns so nice. Oh, you put it in park. How I put it in park? How do I put this in park? That's reverse. Neutral. Stick shift. I don't know how to go on park. I feel like a jackass, bruh. How do I go in park? How do I go in park?
So it's weird. So you're gonna keep. So when you do your neutral, that's basically your. Think of the car being manual. When you're on neutral and you want to just pause or stop and get out the car while the car's on, you pull the e-brake.
Oh, so right now let's pull it up?
Yeah, just pull it up to put it in park. Okay. For that car to be in park, you have to turn it off.
Okay, so can I just rev it right now while it's e-brakes up and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, this car definitely fun.
Yeah. And it's stock too, so if you tune it, if you get a right tuner to, do some work in it, this thing's impossible to literally.
Yeah, it would be faster than Supras.
100%.
Well, one tune.
One tune.
I feel like an idiot trying to drive it because I don't like.
No, it's fun. It's complicated. It's complicated, but you'll get used to it.
Yep. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'm taking it. I'm definitely gonna take it. Get a good picture real quick.